We're Team Bean, made up of Evan, Jess, Jen, Kevin, Laura, and Rena. We have explored the problem space, cognition in the aging population, and with this presentation, we will outline our problem space and share our proposed solution.
Since our problem identification presentation, numerous developments have been made to refine our initial conceptual model. Additional interviews have been conducted to gain insight into activities that the target audience consider to be interesting and/or mentally engaging. Additionally, our team has made revisions on our target demographics and stakeholders. We have considered more external stakeholders, which resulted in a broader range of personas. Due to our target demographic being the elderly population, design implications have pushed us to explore alternatives to voice interaction as well.
For our background research, we've conducted further user interviews to better address the problem space and target audience in response to feedback. Research found that a target age range of 50 years and above would be most effective in addressing cognitive decline, and that mental activities such as learning a foreign language are proven to play a role in the slow of cognitive decline. Key insights were extracted to influence the design going forward.
From research, it was found that people start cognitive decline around the age of 50, making this a prime target as a stakeholder. This category can then be branched further to include monolingual people and people who do not partake in cognitive development exercises. Other main categories also include people in education. Being particularly young, tackling this issue before it becomes impactful can delay the decline by up to 4 years. Targeting elderly people also may help slow down the decline already occurring. When targeting a broad range of people, it is important to consider which design metaphors are effective in helping these people learn a new language and the technology. Through further background research, these concerns can be overcome to improve our potential design.
Our conceptual design consists of 4 elements. Firstly, the system concept statement, design guidelines, system requirement statements, and finally, prototypes. Our system concept statement. Mima is an educational robot that aids in language learning to combat cognitive decline in the aging population, primarily through a voice user interface. The interaction modes of our system have remained the same from the initial problem identification, that is, both instructing and conversing. The design guidelines that we have decided to follow for our system are based on Ben Schneiderman's The 8 Golden Rules of Interface Design. Each guideline is supported by our research on users and existing systems and applications. Likewise to the design guidelines, our system requirement statements have been founded on research of users and their needs and values.
Research into designing technology for an aging population was conducted through background research and user interviews, and found various key points that were vital when designing interfaces for digital immigrants as opposed to digital natives. These mainly included large text and buttons, simple navigation, tap or voice interaction modes, and instructions or tutorials for users to view. Based on feedback and insights gained from the additional research, the concept design was refined. Further integration of mental activity was included due to many users stating that they enjoyed mentally stimulating activities and wanted to improve their memory. An instructions page has also been included based off the research and interviews. An initial low-fidelity prototype was created and evaluated through card sorting and paper prototype testing sessions. Although these evaluations supported the initial design, the design has been altered to address feedback and new insights gained from research. The current prototype better aligns with the target audience's needs and mental models. The prototype will be evaluated in future through user testing, and we will continue to explore and refine the intended form of the solution.
Although we've progressed in our research within a chosen domain, there are still areas which need further investigation. At this stage, we have conducted interviews with our target users to better understand their experience with technology. Moving forward, we aim to use these responses and further research into interaction metaphors and paradigms to inform design choices that align with their lived experience and range of digital literacy. Another key aspect to assess is the optimization of mentally stimulating activities for this age group, such as duration and frequency of sessions needed to be an effective tool in slowing the rate of cognitive recession. As part of a team management strategy, we have adopted a basic interaction design process along with agile methodologies to ensure the success of this project.
As a team, we have broken down the final delivery of the project into 3 major milestones. In doing so, we will be able to keep track of our progress, ensuring timely delivery of each milestone. Activities conducted in each milestone are outlined as follows. The milestones provide a rough guideline for us as a team to work towards a common goal. However, we acknowledge the possibility of overlooking requirements and might require further accommodations based on the challenges we face as we come closer to the final proposal.